Hi everyone, this is Asa Bailey for Invest and Recover. Do you really need an investment advisor? I'm sure you can do the research on the internet and find some guide to make the right investment decisions. But do you have the time to balance this with your 9 to 5 or other main responsibilities? Making an investment for whether a major purchase, education, retirement, or any other goal is one of the major decisions that you will make in life. This is where the role of an investment advisor comes in. In this video, I will show you how to choose a reliable investment advisor. Having been in touch with my wealth advisors over the years, I know that providing advice to persons needing direction in creating, growing, and maintaining wealth is not a simple task. So I give credit to the do-it-yourself investors out there. I know some who have done fairly well and may have done better with proper advice. For those who need help in getting a simple plan and keeping on track in meeting your investment goals, you need a long-term financial partner. Your investment manager will invest and manage your money and provide continuous comprehensive financial planning throughout life's stages and changes. You will need an advisor to assist you in investing in securities such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or exchange-traded funds. Anyone can call themselves an investment advisor. There are some things that we should look for when choosing an advisor. First of all, we should know someone who is licensed. For example, if someone is going to drive you around on the road, then you must ensure that he has a driver's license. If you are entrusting someone to manage your hard-earned funds for possibly a long term, he or she can provide a license. In this instance, I'm referring to evidence of the pass in relevant securities course, which is a basic requirement. If they have the CFA or Certified Financial Planner designation, that is even better. But they must prove themselves qualified and fit and proper in applying to the regulators or Securities Commission for the go-ahead to deal in securities. If they have this license, then they are held to certain higher ethical and legal standards imposed by the employers and, more importantly, the regulator authority. The fiduciary responsibility that is entrusted on them will assist in encouraging them to act in the best interest of the client. They must render unbiased and impartial advice. They must be willing to exercise a high degree of care to ensure investment information is accurate. Having the paper is one thing, but experience is also key. Ensure that your advisor has some experience in the field and demonstrates the ability to handle real-life financial situations. That means that the person can't be a bankrupt or be exposing a flashy, extravagant lifestyle just for profile, with nice ties, dress, suit, and car. Seriously, you operate in the same economy and must appreciate financial responsibilities. You must get to know the prospective advisor you are dealing with. Know which area is his main strength. For example, some reps might boast and say they are strong in the areas of fixed income or equity trading or pension and a specific area of fund management. Others might say that they are strong in all areas. You might have to just do your own checks to be sure. Don't just use your neighbor or friend or your cousin, church brother or alumni. Even though the reference point is good, you just want to maintain your objectivity. Ask all the questions that you think you need to before jumping into a commitment. Imagine it is a quick date before saying I do. It is not too much to find out if your rep is commission paid or not. Don't be afraid to ask questions. It is your money. Don't feel ashamed. Just go ahead and ask. Yes, something must be in it for both of you, but you don't want an advisor recommending something for you just that it gives him a great commission. Sometimes it does not complement your financial goal, and there could have been a better product which could have been recommended, but it pays the advisor a smaller fee. For example, I recommend you to buy a luxury brand car when all you needed was a basic hybrid pickup car. or I recommend a high-end phone with all the features that you don't need, rather than a banger which will get the job done. In other words, I'm encouraging you to find an advisor that sincerely wants to help you in reaching that all-important investment goal. The financial corporation which the advisor represents is also a factor for me. In a market where there are many players, I'd also go for a top-ranked, reputable organization that not necessarily is number one, as the fee may be higher, but among the best performing. I know I'm talking about advisor, but I must have proof that he in fact works for that top company and is not a scammer. Today, you just can't be too careful. Just to recap, your advisor is responsible for assisting you in setting up a financial plan that will assist you in meeting your investment goal. Choose an advisor that is licensed, one that is qualified and experienced. Ensure that you identify the advisor's strong area. Also, verify that the advisor represents the company that he or she represents. This decision of choosing an advisor is a major one that you're making, and I'm encouraging you to ensure that you do your due diligence. Happy investing! Thanks for tuning in to Invest and Recover. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Keep safe.